Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, the most common disorder after trauma is major depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and acute stress reaction can be used after can are the common disorders which are seen after trauma. After trauma, major depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and acute stress reaction can occur.
after trauma. That means either any stress. In this case, the patient first he can develop acute stress disorder. If this trauma is so severe or it is massive or immense like earthquakes, floods, in those cases the patient might develop post-traumatic stress disorder. Sometimes after the trauma the patient might develop major depression. Mania and schizophrenia are independent of trauma. Thank you and thank you for watching.